Who remembers dial-up tones? That's that. So that's how it used to sound when we were trying to get on the internet. That thing sat there and make that noise for like 75 hours just waiting for it to connect. And then basically when it finally connected, like the internet is nothing like it is today. Like it would take 10, 15 minutes for a page to load up. If it had images on it, you're waiting 30 minutes. So now something that I didn't really get involved in, and I had a lot of friends that talked about this, but I didn't, was AOL chat rooms. I remember there were some times I got into some AOL, but like, honestly, I don't really know who I was chatting with. I don't even know who's a real person, and I don't even remember what we were chatting about, so it didn't last long, but I wasn't in no chat rooms or Microsoft Messenger. Now, MySpace was a big one. MySpace was just like Facebook, but then Facebook came and took it over. MySpace was my entry to really social media.